Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's topic will be how to write a melody that will stick in your head. Melodies are an integral part of many different kinds of music, whether you're listening to classical, jazz, or pop music. In all genres of music, melodies are what stick in your head and are remembered long after the music has stopped playing. But how do you write a melody that people will be humming throughout the day? Today we'll show you how to write a melody that people can't forget. Number 1. What is a melody? A melody is a musical pattern that provides the basic shape and form of a tune, or part of a tune. Melodies often consist of repeating patterns of intervals, or notes, such as thirds, fourths, fifths, and octaves. Music is one of the oldest art forms in the world. People have been making music for thousands of years in all parts of the world by playing instruments or singing songs. Number 2. Creating something memorable. Creating memorable melodies can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. Here are a few tips for writing melodies that will stick in your head. Choose a distinctive sound. This can range from an instrument all the way to a different vocal style. Something that is different from what you usually hear can really make your song stand out from the rest. Keep it simple. When creating melodies, less is more. You want to capture people's attention with one or two notes at first and then build on them. The best melodies are built off of one note and just continue adding layers as needed until they reach their full potential. Make it memorable. Make sure your melody stands out so people can remember the song when they walk away. Use some type of catchy phrase or pattern that people will recognize easily so they know where the song begins and ends. Sing your song out loud. Number 3. End notes. The end notes in the sing, or the last note that is sung, will usually be the one that sticks in your head. Think of a song like Happy Birthday and you are most likely humming the end note. The end note will be the strongest and most memorable part of the melody. So remember to use some time on the end notes. Number 4. Remember the basics about a melody. A melody is the fundamental component in any song. If a melody fails to stick, the song will not be memorable. Here are 5 beginner basics that you should consider when writing a melody. 1. Build tension and resolve it. Building tension, as in adding notes that are different from the ones before, can lead to resolution. 2. Create an arc in your melody. This can be achieved by using various note lengths and dynamics to build intensity, contrast, and release. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up.